Good morning students, welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to learn about the new chapter, that is our clothes. You must have learned in your previous class also about clothes, different types of clothes and the importance of clothes. Now in this lesson again we are going to discuss in detail about the different types of clothes and when these clothes we used to wear. Before I start with the lesson, I would like to ask you a question. Do you know why clothes are important for us? Yes, the first answer is they cover our body. This is very important. They cover our body, then they protect our body from heat, cold and rain and insects. So, clothes are very important for us. Now, we are going to discuss about, we wear clothes according to the season. Basically, here we will discuss about the three seasons: summer season, winter season and the rainy season. In summer season, what kind of clothes we wear, then in winter season, then what are the things we use in rainy season. So, we will start with the first one, that is summer season. We all know that summer season is a hot season, isn't it? It's a hot season and starts from the end of March, beginning of April continue till June. Very hot season. We love to remain at home. We love to have lots of water, cold drinks, etc. And we sweat a lot, so we also love to wear thin clothes made of cotton fabric which make us feel comfortable. Alright, so in summer season, which kind of clothes, which type of clothes we wear? We wear cotton clothes. Clothes made of cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are very thin, soft and it reflects the heat and make us feel comfortable. So that's why we wear cotton clothes in summer season. I'll give you a few examples of clothes that we use in summer season, like half pant, cotton shirt, cotton frock, t-shirt, etc. So these are few clothes that I gave you as an example that we use in summer season, and these clothes are made of cotton. Okay. Now, do you know from where do we get the fabric for making these cotton clothes? Yes, we get them from plants. Cotton plants. The fabric for cotton we get from cotton plants. From cotton plants. In your book you will see the picture are also given there. You can see there it is in form of pots and then it is taken from the plants, and there are different process like spinning, weaving, making of thread, then it is made into fabric and that fabric is finally made into clothes. So different processes are there. But we get this cotton fabric from cotton plants. So this was about the summer season and the cotton clothes. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. I gave you some examples like half shirt, half pant, t-shirts, cotton clothes made of cotton like cotton sari, cotton frock, etc. And why we wear cotton clothes? Because they are very comfortable, they reflect the heat and they are made of soft fabric, that is of cotton. Alright, then I told you that from where do we get the fabric for the cotton? We get the fabric from the cotton plant. So this was about the summer season. Then come to the winter season. The next season is winter season. We all know that winter season is a cold season, isn't it? It's a cold season. And in winter season, which type of clothes we wear? We wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes. Clothes made of wool. Okay. To protect our body from extreme cold. And this winter season starts from the end of November and it's continue till March. Alright, extreme cold in month of November, December, January, isn't it? So that time we cover our body with the woolen clothes to protect us from the cold. Now, woolen clothes. First, we will talk about the varieties, the different types of woolen clothes, like sweaters, shawls, gloves, mufflers, etc. So, clothes made of wool, that is woolen clothes that we use in winter season to protect our body from extreme cold. Now, as I told you that we used to wear woolen clothes, I gave you examples of woolen clothes. But do you know from where do we get the fabric for making woolen clothes? We get it from animals. From animals. One example I can give you, that is sheep. Okay. From sheep body we used to rear the wool, and that wool is made into fabric, and that woolen clothes are made. Okay. So, this 2 season, I told you, summer season we wear cotton clothes, in winter season we wear woolen clothes. Cotton clothes help to keep our body feel cool and protect us from the heat of the sun, and in winter we wear woolen clothes which help our body to keep warm in cold season. And I gave you the few examples like cotton shirt, half shirt, t-shirt of cotton clothes, and example of woolen clothes like sweaters, shawls, mufflers, extra of woolen clothes. So these 2 seasons, summer and winter. Okay. Now, after these two seasons, there is one more season. You know which one is that? The season is mostly loved by children. Yes, it is rainy season. Children love this season. One reason for this is that when there is heavy rainfall, parents, when it rains heavy, parents not send their children to the school and they get a holiday, unexpected holiday they get. So they love this season. And many of us love to make paper boats and float it in the flowing water. So we all love rainy season. Now, what are the things we use in rainy season? Before we discuss about the things what we use in rainy season, first tell me why rain is important. Since rain is very important for us, very important for us. Okay, rain. If there is no rain, no crops. If there is no crops, we will not get food. Alright, so rain is very important for balancing the nature. If there less rainfall, then there will be the humidity, extreme hot. Then their trees will not grow. Farmers will suffer a lot. So rain is very important. Now, if there is less rainfall and if there is more rainfall, in both the cases there is a problem. Less rainfall, what the problem comes here? Drought. More rainfall, what the problem come here? Flood. So in both the cases we have to suffer. Okay. Now, for both the cases, who is responsible for drought and for flood? Yes, we human beings are responsible. We are cutting down the trees on a large scale, and we are least bothered for planting trees. For making malls, factories, buildings, apartments, every day trees have been cut, isn't it? But nobody bother about planting the trees. If you want to balance the nature, what we have to do? When we cut one tree, we have to plant more than one tree. Okay? When we cut one tree, we have to plant more than one tree. Then only we will be able to somehow manage to balance the nature. That is very, very important for the survival of human beings and animals. But now these days, people are money minded. They are least bother about the nature, and they don't. They are just making money. They don't think about the coming future generation. So we have to tell our parents, our near ones, we have to explain them that what is the problem that will come if we will not plant trees, and we will go on cutting down the trees. Okay, so this was about the rain. Now come back to the topic, that is rainy season. Rainy season. In rainy season, what we use? We use raincoat, umbrella, gumboots. When there is rain and we have to go outside, we cover our body by raincoat, or we take an umbrella or gumboots to protect us from the rain. So these are the things that we use in rainy season. So we talked about summer season, winter season and rainy season. Apart from these seasons, one more topic is there, and that is uniform. Uniform. Students must be aware of this word uniform, because they have to wear every day and have to come to school. Uniform. And dear students, you should always keep your uniform neat, clean and well ironed. Every day shoes should be well polished, and every day you should look smart with a neat and clean uniform. This helps you to develop your personality. Alright? Now, students wear uniform. Here, this is a special dress. Okay? This is a very special dress worn by the people. Now, who all are they who used to wear the uniform? First one is students. Then, apart from students, yes, those who are having some special profession, and they are, by seeing their uniform, we can recognize, we can identify that person is a doctor, a nurse, a postman, a policeman. We can identify them by just looking at their uniform. So those who are having special professions, they used to wear uniform, like policeman, nurse, doctor, postman, etc. We don't need anyone to tell that person what does that person do. By seeing him or her, we can identify that she is a doctor, she is a nurse, he is a postman. Okay, but looking at the uniform, we can tell about their job. Now, after uniform, there are some special dress. There are some special dresses. Special dress. And when do we wear these special dresses? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, on our birthdays. Birthday, when we go for wedding, festivals. That means on special occasion, we wear special dress. Like on birthday, we wear new clothes, colorful, beautiful clothes. When we go for someone's wedding, that time we dress up with some special dress. Then on festivals also, we wear new and colorful, beautiful dresses. So these things were, these points were about the different types of clothes we wear. First we wear clothes according to the season. That is summer season, we wear cotton clothes. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. In rainy season, we use raincoat, umbrella, gumboots, etc. And then comes about the uniform. Then uniform is a special dress whereby students, postmen, doctors, those who are having special profession. Then comes the special dress. That special dress we wear on special occasions like birthday, then going for wedding or festivals. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson. Now I'll send the exercises, whatever the questions is given at the back of this lesson, and you have to write them. I'll give the questions along with the answers, and you have to write them in your EVS copy. Dear students, assignment is different thing that you have to write in separate thin copy. But what the exercises, I sent you the exercises of lesson 3, the sense organs, that you also have to write in the EVS copy. And this lesson 4 exercises I will send you, and that one also you have to write in your EVS copy. And along with those questions that is given at the back of the lesson, I'll give you one more question that you have to do in your EVS copy itself. So the question is, draw name and color. The first one is 2 clothes used in summer, or you write two cotton clothes. You simply write 2 cotton clothes. Then the second one is 2 woolen clothes. Then the third one is 2 things you use in rainy season. Okay, this one also you have to do. 2 cotton clothes, 2 woolen clothes, 2 things you use in rainy season. You have, not only you have to draw, you have to write the name of the season, you have to write the name of the clothes, and you have to color also. So I will send you the questions what is given at the back of the lesson, that you have to do in your EVS copy. Along with that, you have to draw these 3 things. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson, and please, everyone is having book at home. Go through your book, read the chapter, and try to do the work what is given here in the board, and as whatever I will send you. Okay, for today this much is enough. Thank you. Have a nice day.